Narendra Modi took a halt in Jhargram as he wanted to taste the local food of Bengal.
और अब आगे बढ़ते हुए आपको ये बताते हैं कि पश्चिम बंगाल की झालमुड़ी में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कैसे पीपल कनेक्ट ढूंढा।
From symbolism like the Prime Minister's Jhalmuri Connect.
Because the Prime Minister took time to spend some time at the Jhalmuri stop.
झारग्राम में चुनावी रैली के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने झालमुड़ी का स्वाद चखा।
भाई हमें अपना झालमुड़ी खिलाओ। हाँ, कितने का होता है आपका झालमुड़ी?
आप कितने का
नहीं, अच्छे वाला कितने का होता है?
10 पीस।
हाँ, जो भी है बना दो। हाँ,
झालमुड़ी खाएंगे?
हाँ, खाएंगे, बिल्कुल खाएंगे। तो कितना 10 रुपए देना है?
दुकान में आए सर।
हाँ, 10 रुपए देना है। नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं। हाँ,
ঝালমুড়িটা কত? এটা 30 টাকা।
Okay, ঝালমুড়ি here is 30 rupees.
হ্যাঁ।
The Prime Minister only paid 10 rupees for it.
দাদা তুমি 30 টাকা নিচ্ছ কেন? झारग्राम में तो 10 টাকা বলছে। हाँ? वो चार्ट में लिखा है झारग्राम में तो सब 10 रुपए से मिल रहा है। ये 30 रुपए वाला चीज है। ये स्पेशल
वाला चीज नहीं है।
अरे नहीं, आपके लिए बना है।
इतना सारा तो
हाँ हाँ, झालमुड़ी है।
मेरे हाथ में है।
अरे नहीं, you have to hold it and do this exactly how Delhi reporters are doing. Like I saw one reporter just stuff the entire mouth full of jhalmuri and then she can't even talk.
Also, reporters are telling us about the इतिहास of jhalmuri on prime time.
What is it?
कि वो ब्रिटिश टाइम से है।
हाँ।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन हमको एक रिपोर्टर, एक चैनल ने दी है। वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट चैनल्स। झालमुड़ी का उत्पादन बढ़ने से झालमुड़ी ज्यादा बनने लगी।
अच्छा।
इंटेलिजेंट।
नहीं, झालमुड़ी के नहीं, फुरफुरा।
नहीं, दे आर सेइंग झालमुड़ी, दे आर सेइंग फुरफुरा।
ओके।
इतना थोड़ा ना आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो।
अच्छा,
कि वो फुरफुरा बताए, झालमुड़ी बोल रहे हैं। झालमुड़ी का उत्पादन बढ़ रहा है।
अच्छा सर, दादा आप बताओ 10 रुपए में कितना झालमुड़ी मिलेगा? अल्पो मिलेगा। कितना अल्पो मिलेगा?
जितना दिया मुझे।
अभी दिखा रहे कितना मिलेगा। ये ठोंगा है, ये ठोंगा है, राइट? और आप बोले 10 रुपए में इतना मिलेगा, इतना यानी बेसिकली ठेंगा मिलेगा।
हाँ, तो आई थिंक उन्होंने कहा भी था जो दे रहे थे 20 रुपए।
हाँ,
तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने 10 रुपए दिए।
हाँ,
बट 30 रुपए है भाई प्राइस, बिकॉज प्याज इज लाइक व्हाट 30 रुपए किलो।
प्याज 30 रुपए किलो है। टमाटर 20 रुपए 30 रुपए किलो है। उसके बाद ये पीनट्स, बादाम कितने का है? 140 रुपए का। ओके, और बाकी और क्या डालते हैं झालमुड़ी? धनिया कितने का है? 100 ग्राम का 20 रुपए। तो अब 10 रुपए में तो इतना ही दोगे। आपने देखा प्रधानमंत्री ने
प्रधानमंत्री का देखा झालमुड़ी वाला वीडियो कैसा लगा? नहीं देखे। आप कहाँ से हैं? यहीं से हैं? बिहार से हैं। तो यहाँ पे क्या लग रहा है आपको? Let's do the Delhi report. क्या माहौल है? जाओ।
नहीं, क्या लग रहा है इस बार?
करने दो।
नहीं गिरेगा, नहीं गिरेगा। हम गिर जाएंगे, आपका सामान नहीं गिरेगा। बोलिए क्या लग रहा है? सब ठीक लग रहा है। हाँ, मूढ़ी खाया है और मस्त मगन।
आपका वोट इधर ही है? अच्छा, आप यही वोट करते हैं?
वो जिनके दुकान से प्रधानमंत्री ने मूढ़ी खाया वो भी बिहार के थे। ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं? डिजिटल इंडिया में आपका मोबाइल नहीं चल रहा है।
ये देखा, इन्होंने देखा है। आपने कैसा लगा?
वो भी जो गया जिला के है, जो मुड़ी की बना के दिया है।
हाँ,
वो भी गया जिला के है।
अच्छा, गया जिला का है। और कौन गया जिला का है? आप सब गया जिले का है और आप इधर ही रहते हैं?
महीना 2 महीना रहते हैं।
और वोट उधर पे होता है? वोट उधर पे होता है कि इधर पे? इधर ही होगा। बहुत बढ़िया चीज है। अच्छा है ना घर इधर का? हाँ, बंगाल अच्छा है ना? How is the muri? Let's get back to jhalmuri.
Very nice.
Okay.
Have some because I've eaten too much.
No, eat na.
But is this something? It is uniquely Bengali, or this is something that you'll?
This is quintessential Bengali.
And as a choice of snack, do you approve of Prime Minister wanting this? Because Mamata yesterday said कि यहाँ पे आके झालमुड़ी क्यों खा रहे हो, fish क्यों नहीं खा रहे?
अरे
today you have one of the ministers, Anurag Thakur,
हाँ,
eating fish.
yeah, no, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said something. I mean, it's kind of. She said that very good. I to eat dhokla, fafra,
हाँ.
roti, paratha, whatever you offer me, I'll eat.
Yeah.
Let me offer you fish.
Why aren't you eating fish in
Eat
Bengal?
fish, and I will make fish for you. I don't know how come it hasn't become a meme as yet. But tell me honestly, Manisha, when you see the Prime Minister do this, do you find that organic?
Of course not. And I won't even expect it to be organic because there's a huge security detail around the Prime Minister. He cannot just get off and if you see the video, it's very sanitized, the shop.
Absolutely.
Look how this looks like, it's a busy shop.
Yeah.
Like चीटे लगे हुए हैं, सब कुछ लगा हुआ है.
वो कटोरी उधर पे है मूड़ी के ऊपर.
वो बहुत ही एक sanitized, beautiful shop लगी थी. सब कुछ नया, सब कुछ spick and span. So obviously they knew that they are going to do a choreographed thing here. So Prime Minister is coming here, ask झालमुड़ी. और उसको भी बोल दिया होगा पहले से कि ये होने वाला है, तो अपना दुकान साफ करो. Obviously it's not organic. It's just possible ही नहीं है. But yeah, I mean, if as the Prime Minister you go to a state and you eat the food there, you want to promote it, it's fine. I have no issues with that. But the media can then move on. Like it's not a prime time.
I mean, that's
subject.
I'm very happy the Prime Minister did stop there.
Yeah.
I'm very happy the Prime Minister made a shopkeeper so famous.
Yeah.
And
though the shopkeeper said कि लोग सिर्फ रील बनाने आ रहे हैं, कोई खाने नहीं आ रहा है.
कोई खाने नहीं आ रहा है, वो परेशान हो गया है. वो बोला आप लोग मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो, मैं दुकान नहीं चला पा रहा हूँ, सब जा रहे हैं माइक ऐसे घुसा रहे हैं उसके मुंह पे, कैसा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
तो कितने बार बोलेगा, दो तीन एजेंसी को बोल चुका है, 3-4 चैनल को बोल चुका है, और उसके बाद सब जाके इंडिविजुअली एक्सक्लूसिव बाइट
लगेगा उसको. ठीक लगेगा यार, आगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर दे दिया, उससे क्या.
और आप सच बताओ, मेरे से अगर मनीषा को मैंने ये मूरी ऑफर किया, अभी क्या ही बोल सकती है कि नहीं मुझे मूरी अच्छा नहीं लगा. Can you actually say that? Similarly, the Prime Minister came. After all, he is the Prime Minister and makes a pit stop at a shop and then eats jhalmuri there. Obviously, people would appreciate.
But we've seen one more very a trend with Prime Minister's rallies. Everyone talks about this one time that the cavalcade stops for the ambulance.
Yeah.
This is a trend.
Yeah.
Every time you look, the Prime Minister is so nice, उन्होंने ambulance के लिए रोक दिया.
Yeah.
वो coincidentally every time there's an ambulance.
Yes.
The Prime Minister's
That happens
so
every time.
Like, I get the BJP's point of view of why they want to do this, Prime Minister's point of view, but I don't get the media's fixation on it.
I mean, let's admit the fact that jhalmuri is very it is an emotion to all Bengalis, and when it's elections, every political party tries kind of connecting with the cultural connect of a land, and jhalmuri is very much part of the cultural connect of Bengal. Like from Rabindranath Thakur to jhalmuri, everything is very dear to us. So is fish fry. But the fact that the media is so hooked on to one particular story, which is jhalmuri, makes us worry, because I mean, it's good for Prime Minister to come and stop and have jhalmuri, but it would have been better had he stopped by a house where people have been deleted out of SIR.
Yes, he could have met, if not the large number of Muslims who've been disenfranchised, at least the Matua voters who they were promising citizenship to. Unhi ko milke, and actually to me, it's a huge farce. I mean, what we're seeing unfolding here, the deletions that have happened, the mass disenfranchisement, the first time in the history of Election Commission whose mandate is to be inclusive. From independence, why did they give universal adult franchise? कि भाई हर कोई वोट करेगा, आप पढ़े लिखे हो, आप गरीब हो, आप होमलेस हो, आप जो भी हो, आपको वोट करने का मौका
समान अधिकार.
It is the most precious thing we gave to our people, and honestly the most visionary thing that our founding fathers did with India, that no one was doing it at that time. We were like, no man, everyone will get the right to vote after 18. So it was remarkable, and for 26 lakh people,
27 lakh 16,393. I keep repeating the number.
Yeah, and you've been to the tribunal, Tamal. I have been to the tribunal. It's a farce. They are not working.
We won't say that they are not working, because
they're not working for at least, I would say, the people who've been deleted, because I did not see, so firstly, like, we know that everyone was kind of turned away. You can only go to the tribunals if you've been summoned. So the understanding is that you're being summoned online.
Yes.
आपको ऑनलाइन बुलाया जा रहा है या नहीं, ये हमको नहीं पता क्योंकि हमें अंदर जाने नहीं दिया. पर अगर आपको समन भी किया है, even for a visa application, when you go stand outside in any of the embassies, you will see lines. of people wanting their visa because they've been summoned by the embassy to come in for their interview. 27 lakh voters have been summoned and there's not a single person outside the tribunal. Like, where is the summoning happening?
And very interestingly, we know as a matter of fact, there are reports. Now there are source-based information which are coming out as per convenience, and no one can attribute to a direct source. And I would love to attribute to a source, even to a source, quote unquote. If somebody tells us as how many people have been deleted, and out of those deleted people, how many have applied before the tribunal, out of those who have applied, how many applications got through, how many hearings have happened, after hearings how many people have been approved, rejected, approved, and how many people have gone back to the voter list. That clarity is not there. But then there is a source based information that 5 to 7 lakh people have been added through Form 6,
and we have no idea who these people are who've been added. Absolutely no idea. And for the EC to function with such opacity, it is unprecedented, I think. So Jhalmuri and all are just, I mean, even as election gimmicks, it's not interesting this time. And you were saying this on my show, which will be out soon, so you should watch that too, that, you know, journalists are coming here eating sandesh, rasgulla, holding fish. It is jarring when you're seeing this mass level of people. And honestly, only you have to come here to see the people who are running pillar to post to get in, to realize what a painful exercise this has been. The psychological damage of
psychological damage. I have to add here, Justice Joymallo Bagchi in one of the previous hearings, he said, and that too to the Election Commission, that for people, if they know they are born here, right to vote is simply not constitutional, it's sentimental.
Exactly.
It's such a powerful thing.
It is such a
and for the same court to in a way endorse logical discrepancy, I find it so bewildering. As in, you are saying that logical discrepancy did not happen in Bihar. But at the same time, because Election Commission is a statutory body, you don't want to niddle with their functioning. But it's the same logical discrepancy that has disenfranchised so many people.
Yeah. And the logical discrepancy is illogical. There's nothing, like, there's no logic to it at all. But coming back to the emotional point of it, of course, we know that with a vote, you get access to schemes and everything like that. You are in a system. When your access to resource depends on a vote for a lot of the marginalized people. But that sentimental thing of you exist for a state, it's very important. You and I, you know, we have a passport. It doesn't matter कल हमारा vote card
There are people who have passport.
हमें फर्क उतना नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन एक इंसान के लिए
नहीं मनीषा, गलत है हम लोग. हमें भी फर्क पड़ना चाहिए. और ये जो मेंटालिटी है ना,
कुछ लोगों के लिए वो बहुत ही, it's the basis of their existence and their, you know, identity here.
And no, but ये point है, I really want to harp on it, that like COVID, SIR had been an equalizer. SIR did not discriminate between village person, rural person, educated, uneducated, urban person. We have come across PhD degree holder people deleted holding passport, every valid document. Now, very strangely, Election Commission is saying that, okay, let them go through the tribunal process and let them come back to the voter list. Let them not vote in this election. It is almost like saying that you choose not to be an Indian for a single day. When you are saying it is almost intertwined your right to identity with right to vote.
And look at the rhetoric around it. Na? The rhetoric is कि हम लोग, you know, doubtful लोगों को हटा रहे हैं. We are weeding out people from the list who don't have a right to vote here. So what signaling also matters. People are absorbing कि आज वोटर आईडी नहीं है, कल पता नहीं क्या, कल हमारे को घर पे नहीं रहने देंगे, कल हमें बोलेंगे देश से बाहर चले जाओ. I met like a Subedar army, 30 years in the army. He had tears in his eyes. Literally, he was like, I mean, for him, he was like, अभी क्या फायदा मैम मेरे काम करने का? क्या फायदा 30 साल का सर्विस का? कि आज मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि मैं. So you have to understand, it's an existential crisis, identity crisis that you put on people here.
Did you find any other issue bigger than SIR?
No, I mean, no. It's very. What is happening here is unprecedented. Yes, there's a lot of issues like education, job opportunities for the youth. Those are really front and center for people. That, you know, there aren't enough jobs, industrialization in West Bengal. Those are front and center issues. But I just feel this kind of identity crisis, there's no other word, that people have been thrown into. That is really at the front of, everyone's really thinking about it. So to me, I feel elections, like I said before, our mandate of an EC has always been inclusivity. जितने लोगों को अंदर आप सिस्टम में ला सकते हो लाओ. पहली बार ऐसा EC है हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन है जिसमें लोगों को निकालने का कैसे निकाल सकते हैं वो सोचा
नहीं,
जाए।
पर राहुल गांधी के माने तो एक ब्राजीलियन मॉडल को भी हम लोग इंक्लूड कर लिए थे, लेकिन बंगाल के लोगों को निकाल रहे हैं. बाय द वे, योर नोज इज आल्सो ईटिंग झालमुड़ी.
Okay.
Okay. Now, think of
gone.
it. Manisha is literally, you have finished off half of the packet, which is very good. Good. Enjoy.
I have actually finished off half the packet.
But do you realize it's so easy to talk about something so important even while having jhalmuri?
Yeah.
It is. And what I find baffling is our national media reporters, celebrity anchors, they are coming and they have been literally told over phone कि आप जाओ उसके सामने से रील बनाओ. And वो बंदा पक गया है.
और लोग भी बोर हो गए हैं यार, नहीं देखना, एक बार देख लिया. अब तो उस पे मीम्स बन रहे हैं बहुत सारे जो आई थिंक रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो रहे हैं ट्विटर पे. तो पीपल आर मेकिंग मीम्स ऑन दिस होल झालमुड़ी.
I mean,
But like I said, Bengal, please be grateful. Mr. Modi, our dear leader, came as himself to eat jhalmuri and not as Tagore. So thank God for small mercy. Abhi recently Yogi also made a faux pas, na?
Yeah, he said, Swami Vivekananda said, give me blood, I'll give you freedom. That actually has been said by Netaji Subhash Chandra
Subhash Chandra.
Bose.
And then someone commented Subhash
उठा
Chandra
लो
Bose
मेरे
said
को.
rise awake and so they flipped the two things.
नहीं नहीं, मेरे को उठा लो, मेरे को जस्ट उठा लो, मेरे को नेताजी के पास भेज दो. रविंद्रनाथ सान्याल.
And then Mahua Mitra called him bulldozer Buddhi,
Bulldog.
which really caught on with the opposition. So everyone was like retweeting it.
I think,
So,
yeah, there was another thing which she said about Fanta.
Go back to Uttar Pradesh and have Fanta. I
Fanta.
think somewhere.
Yeah.
Chota Fanta, I think that's the pet.
Again, I did not say. I just.
I'm only relaying what is
No,
happening
no.
in the world of social media. None of it. We are just Narad Munis.
Okay.
Like good Narad. You know, there's a Narad Muni Award of Journalism.
हाँ.
There's this guy because
मुझे तो
Narad
कुछ
Muni is
नहीं
the
मिलता
epitome
यार.
of journalism.
Seriously.
इधर की उधर is like.
हाँ.
journalism.
अभी तक किसी
हम
को
भी
मिला
वही
है?
कर रहे हैं, हम भी वही.
अभी तक किसी
बहुत
को
लोगों को मिला है, सारे जो अच्छे सब चंगासी जो करते हैं.
सब चंगासी. ओके. मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कब ये थैंक गॉड परसों झारग्राम के इलेक्शन है, नहीं तो पूरा जितने सारे सेलिब्रिटी एंकर्स है, एडिटर इन चीफ से सब आ जाते झारग्राम में उसका झालमुड़ी खाने के लिए. ओके. एंड आल्सो द पार्ट व्हिच इज money being given to the man. If Prime Minister comes to my house, I will never ever, and like that great man said, add an extra ever, take a single penny. He is my guest. Atitya Deva Bhava. हमारे देश पधारो मारे देश.
नहीं, लेकिन वो कह रहे थे मत दो, बट देन मोदी जी से नहीं ऐसा थोड़ा.
मोदी जी से लेना पड़ेगा. अगर देना ही है तो 15 लाख दे दीजिए.
हाँ,
10 रुपए से क्या?
30 रुपए तो दे दो, प्राइस है जो. नॉट 10 रुपए. 10 रुपए में कुछ नहीं मिलता.
नहीं, बट वो बंदा बोला कि 10 या 20 का बनाओ. ही से
अच्छा, ये ऑल्सो मोदी ऑल्सो आज कि अच्छा वाला कितने का है.
अच्छा वाला
तो
कितने का
ऐसे
है?
होता है झालमुड़ी में.
नहीं, अच्छा वाला
आपने
ये
ना अच्छा वाला बुरा
नहीं,
वाला
नहीं,
क्वालिटी डिफरेंस होता है.
नहीं वो हम लोग सिर्फ फुचका में करते हैं. फुचका खाने के बाद बोलते हैं एक अच्छा वाला पाव दे दो. वो भी हंसता है. वो एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं ना, काउंट कर लेता है. हमेशा एक कम देता है. जब एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग मांगते हैं तब दे देता है. और शायद किसी से प्रभावित हुआ हो, इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो, जब हम लोग मांगते हैं
हाँ.
तब देंगे नहीं.
अच्छा.
लेकिन बोलेंगे क्या 15 लाख नहीं मिले तो क्या हुआ, देखो विकास देखो.
पुचके का.
So that is what is happening. And quick rapid fire, worst coverage on Jhalmuri by who?
It has to be. Do you want name? You want me to name names?
Jed.
So I am on a break from television news. I'm very happy. The only thing I'm consuming is through Twitter. So I love the Aaj Tak explainer on Jhalmuri, which was ज़्यादा उत्पादन, झालमुड़ी के ज़्यादा उत्पादन से झालमुड़ी ज़्यादा बनने लगी. Which is like a beautiful. It's like 7th level philosophy.
हाँ. Okay. Titashi is prompting me some ideas. So do you know there is
but let me just finish on the philosophical
Oh
point.
yeah.
So that is really like it's high philosophy कि कुछ ज़्यादा उत्पादन होने से ज़्यादा बनने लगा.
No, I think वो line मक्के के लिए यूज किया गया था for Bihar election.
Okay.
You remember मक्के?
हाँ.
Makhana, sorry, Makhana.
Did the Prime Minister eat makhana there? No.
No. Makhana, Prime Minister did not eat.
But of course, there was a lot of conversation around it. A lot of journalists also reported.
And jumped into the water,
also,
हाँ,
yeah.
because
It's a very treacherous crop to actually work on.
Yes.
But anchors did jump in.
And to do that wearing all the Delhi attire and then hold the microphone, which itself is worth 2 lakh rupees, and then just jump into the water, not worry about the machine, is amazing.
Yeah.
So that is one, the worst. And
That's it. I haven't watched.
okay,
I haven't watched
I'll ask
Jhalmuri
I'll
Diwas.
ask Titas. Titas,
Which one is the worst one?
Which one is
Tell.
the worst one? You have seen all of them. You have scanned.
So this particular reel was not made by a Delhi reporter, but one from Calcutta. I'm not taking names of the name of the channel, but once she was taking the interview, she stuffed her face with muri and then we couldn't hear anything. I mean, it was a logistical error.
So I'll show you what happened. No, give me. Little more. अरे खिला रहे तो ठीक से खिलाना.
Actually, मैंने इतना खा
Okay, so
लिया है.
this is what happened.
And then she was like,
Permission. Modi has come. Eating jhalmuri. Jhalmuri is the talk of the town. Don't laugh, this will come out.
This happened on a mainstream channel? Yeah.
And then he or she said, jhalmuri is very famous. It became more famous, and jhalmuri is the biggest thing in Bengal.
Because of the Prime Minister. I mean, Prime Minister cannot add to the fame of Jhalmuri. But both, like you said, it's culture here. This is like a thing that everyone eats here.
Yeah. कौन सा मूवी का डायलॉग था? पुष्पा.
हाँ.
क्या? झालमुरी झुकेगा नहीं. झालमुरी था है रहेगा.
हाँ, Jhalmuri था है.
झालमुरी राजनीति के सामने झुकेगा नहीं, please.
Doesn't need the Prime Minister.
And it's a humble appeal that while it trivialized this particular broadcast, we could have used this broadcast for something more meaningful. But then we are just trying to harp on that very fact that Jhalmuri can be a quick clickbait,
Yeah.
viral idea that may make you viral. It made
Yeah.
Prime Minister viral.
Yeah.
102 million views, and it's still going fire. And बहती गंगा में डुबकी लगाना हमेशा जर्नलिज्म नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
आपको जर्नलिज्म करना है तो जाओ उन लोगों से बात करो जिनके वोट अधिकार छीन लिया गया और जिसे मालूम नहीं कब वापस आएगा, जिन्हें कहा गया एक दिन के लिए, एक इलेक्शन के लिए आप इंडियन ना रहो, अगले इलेक्शन में आप फिर से इंडियन बन जाइए उन मम्मी पापाओं से बात कीजिए जिनके मन में ये डर, ये खौफ बैठ गया कि मेरे को आज डिलीट कर दिया, आज मैं अगर वापस ना आ पाया और 30 साल बाद अगर फिर से एसआईआर हुआ तो मेरे बच्चों का क्या होगा. तब बच्चों के लिए अगर रखा 2026 का वोटर लिस्ट एज अ बेंचमार्क, जैसे हमारे टाइम में है 2002 का वोटर लिस्ट, तो उस टाइम उन बच्चों का क्या होगा, उनका मैपिंग पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. तो आप
और छोटी छोटी चीजें जो इस लॉजिकल डिस्क्रिपेंसी में डाली हैं, लाइक 6 से ज्यादा सिबलिंग्स, ये कोई लॉजिक है? हमें इंडिया में मतलब who and our dadis, our nannies, they've all had more than 2-3 children, yaar.
imagine for population the
And
government.
what is the logic of this? How
No,
are you
no.
sifting people like?
You are not.
The fact that there's no question asked on this is appalling to me.
And no, the fact is the government has never come up with a law on
Yeah.
population.
Yeah.
The reason why the government is now planning for delimitation, right? Because of more population, you want better representation, and thus you need delimitation.
Yeah.
And here you are questioning that how come 6 people have one father? I mean, how do you
And
prove?
then even with those 6 children, it's not like all 6 children have been taken off. 3 of those children have been included. 3 have been excluded.
And mostly
so
women.
Again, there is no logic to that.
Mostly
आप
women.
सारे 6 लोगों को हटाओ कि भाई it's not possible. But this is exactly like, I am appalled that something like this has happened and it's just we've just let it go.
And I tell you what,
How has this been? How is this okay as a logical discrepancy in India?
how is it logical to even say that we are cleaning our voter list?
Yeah.
And also the entire euphoria of one particular political party celebrating on SIR, feasting on SIR, they're in a way also admitting the failure of one of their own ministers holding on to a department like Home Ministry.
Yeah.
You are saying SIR is cleaning the entire voter list. That is a job of the Home Ministry. That is not the job of the Election Commission
Yeah,
of India.
yeah.
If Election Commission of India has to do the job of Home Ministry, let the Election Commission of India also become the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Do what they have not been able to do. Stop Rohingyas, stop infiltrators, ensure resources are here in the country. But in order to do that, you just cannot wake up one fine morning and say, I'm doing SIR, and that absolves every other department of their respective responsibilities. SIR is needed, but should be a continuous process. Nobody supports Rohingyas, nobody supports infiltrators. But if they are there, the question should be asked to the government as how are they there?
And if they're voting,
And if
Like,
they are
are they coming
voting,
here to vote?
and why have you not really cleaned your voter list? I also need to say something. No matter who sees this as how, but to me, even standing in a queue under the scorching heat is nothing but a violation of your basic
Yeah.
dignity
It's
and
criminal.
human rights.
It's criminal to just like keep
SIR,
shunting you from one place to the other, and
SIR
there's no explanation. Also, I saw that all notices were in English.
yeah.
So how are you expecting people in rural folk who don't even speak Hindi to read English and understand what is happening here?
I mean, it is fair to say the kind of stories you have come across. And imagine, we are from Bengal. For the past couple of months, we have in a way kept our eyes on SIR alone. Journalists from Delhi have come and found out that story literally there, everywhere, scattered on your face. Yet our Delhi journalists chose not to report this human rights violation. I call it nothing but gross human rights violation, and that is very, very disappointing.
This is, in the history of Indian democracy, I think, extremely dangerous precedent. And now we are hearing of numbers in Odisha,
Yeah.
which seem even. But just that a body has with impunity gone ahead and done this with no accountability, no checks, is a very scary thing for Indian democracy, for our institutions.
Did you
This story should bother people in Haryana, in Punjab, in Delhi, in Tamil Nadu, wherever. Whether you are on SIR is happening there or not, but the impunity with which a state can just one day say, hey, get out of this, and you have no recourse. It's very scary for all citizens.
And I tell you what fundamentally went wrong. I'm sorry I'm taking your time. What fundamentally went wrong? They said, and I would only refer to they because let's refer to them as they are a political party. They said, Hindu bhai bhai, Hindu ko koi khatra nahi. Okay, very good. You know, Matuas are marginalized Hindus who came from Bangladesh. Now, by virtue of the policy that has been adopted by the Election Commission, you need to be a voter of 2002 in order to get yourself mapped. Alright? If they are not a voter in 2002, they are unmapped. Now they are Hindus, they are Matuas. They could not even apply for CAA because CAA, again promised by the same political party, same government, rules formulated by the same party and the same government, yet people could not get a citizenship out of CAA, not many of them, because of stringent documentation. They are asking for one document from Bangladesh. अभी सोचो कहाँ से मिलेगा? 1960-70 में अगर कोई उधर से आ रहा है, घर जल रहा है, सब कुछ जल रहा है, उनको दिमाग में आएगा कि 30 साल बाद 50 साल बाद मोदी जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर रहेंगे और तब मेरे से ये मांगा जाएगा.
I met a woman who, her husband left her when she has 2 children. Her daughter was I think 3 or 4, and then husband left and never came back. She's like, well, I don't know whether they're alive or dead, but he has no relations to us. Now she cannot produce documents from the husband's side. There are women like this, abandoned by their husbands or going through very precarious situations. उनके पास नहीं है भाई, उसके बेटे के पास नहीं है अब सारा उसके दादे का और उसकी दादी के दादे का, मतलब भैया it is.
मैंने आप सोचो MOHD is also Muhammad, MOHAMMAD is also Muhammad. Now for a rural person, somebody went for a survey. तो बोला क्या नाम है? मैंने बोला मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद कमाल कुछ, ठीक है? तो वो भाई साहब का दिमाग में आया, लिख दिया MOHD. बाद में कोई और डॉक्यूमेंट बना, उसमें लिखा MOHAMMAD. अभी MOH, ये आप दोनों सेम नहीं हो.
तो ये एक लॉजिकल डिस्क्रिपेंसी.
ये लॉजिकल डिस्क्रिपेंसी.
मतलब इतना क्रूरल्टी से जो लोगों को निकाला जा रहा है.
एक औरत,
such stupid things.
ब्राह्मण औरत, उनका नाम है, मैं पूरा नाम नहीं बोल रहा, उनका लास्ट नेम है चैटर्जी, उनका पापा का नाम है चैटर्जी, ठीक है? शादी हुआ जिस घर में, उस शादी हुआ उनका नाम, जिस घर में शादी हुआ उनका नाम है शौरकार. So from Chatterjee, she got migrated to Shorkar.
Like all women.
Women do mostly.
Yeah.
Now her voter ID card has her father's name. That is daughter of so and so Chatterjee. The Aadhaar card has wife of so and so, which is Mr. Sarkar. So why Chatterjee and why Sarkar? Out.
Can you imagine the level of this disenfranchisement? There's no other word for it. It is a disenfranchisement at a mass scale.
Before I end this, few things. You have told your worst experiences while covering SIR. I have told few things which you find really bizarre in this election, like banning on alcohol, ban on bikes after 6 PM in.
So I don't know why there's been a dry day now. Delhi में तो दंगे हो जाते भाई. If there were like 10 दिन का dry day. Why are like poor people in Calcutta can't even have a beer when the first phase elections are happening? It's not even here. So I have no idea why there's.
And Bihar is a dry state. Gujarat is a dry state. तो ठीक है.
Hi.
Follow your podcast. Just stop to say admire.
Please do.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please do.
I think I know you as well.
Kamal.
Okay.
Kamal Shah.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
We're doing a Jhalmuri episode.
Yeah.
Have you seen
Understood that.
have you seen the video? Have you seen the Jhalmuri video?
By Mr. Modi.
Yeah. I like your accent, sir. Mr. Say once more.
Which one? Which one would you like to say?
Who was there in that video?
Mr. Modi,
Oh.
our Prime Minister.
Yeah, last time we said Mr. Modi. I love your accent. So what's your idea about the video? Has that made Jhalmuri more expensive for us now?
It's hard to say. It's a publicity stunt, so yeah.
Public सब जानती है.
लोग सब समझते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है सर? You know, Jhalmuri is important. Is Jhalmuri more important than SIR?
Jhalmuri is more important than SIR. I don't find the logical reasoning behind SIR as well. Like, yeah, it's required, but why in such short period of time?
Yeah.
At such
Have you
short
had any
notice?
troubles with that in your family?
No, I haven't.
You're lucky.
I am lucky. I'm one of the lucky few. Me and my family.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your next thing that you want to tell our Prime Minister? He has tried Jhalmuri. What else you want him to try
In Bengal.
in Bengal?
I think he's going to outsmart me in any way. So it doesn't matter.
No, but I'm sure he has a proper team. Also, very quickly, when you saw that video, did it seem like natural or did it seem like
Our Chief Minister said it's staged.
what do you think?
Even miss our Prime Minister's reign. Yeah, I'm calling it a reign. So yeah, I find it staged. Totally
Stage.
I find it staged.
Trust you,
It's
me,
because
friends.
of-
He is not staged. We did not invite him. We saw her and stopped.
Yeah, I came to admire.
Thank you.
Maybe you shouldn't hear me as well because
What's your name, sir?
I'm Dottatreya Raha.
Okay, Mr. Raha.
Take care. Thank you.
Mr. Raha. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. You know, that's the
Okay.
point. You know, if you notice carefully, people do observe things. People do understand things, and it's
Yeah.
not like you can actually you can fool them. So before I end it, yeah. So it's a dry day.
It's a dry day. Then the no pillion riders.
Yeah.
I mean, in India, you're expecting that people will not have a pillion riders.
No Sholay business after 6 p.m.
ये तो कोई सेंस नहीं है.
ये
ऊपर से ईडी रेड्स हम कितना नॉर्मलाइज करा दिया. आई हैव लॉस्ट काउंट ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीपल आर बीइंग समन्ड, दे आर बीइंग कॉल्ड. यस्टरडे वाज नुसरत, शी वाज कॉल्ड यस्टरडे, आई थिंक शी वाज समन्ड.
Yeah.
So धड़ल्ले से ईडी गोइंग, and what is Trinamool doing in response? Our chief minister from Delhi was here yesterday and she complained कि they have switched off the street light where she's camping. So I'm like, what is this politics come to? वो ईडी रेड कर रहे हैं, ये बेचारे बोल रहे हैं चलो हम लाइट ऑफ कर देते हैं तुम्हारी when you come here.
Ajay, you are from Delhi, right? Are you getting 2,500 which Delhi government had promised?
No, I am not eligible for it also, but women have not. We've spoken to women about that, and we in fact did a story on that. So the Delhi government is also right now saying that we haven't started it.
Yeah.
My guess is they will do it right before election. So that
Which
that money,
election?
the next election.
अरे भाई कितना
like-
इलेक्शन आएगा? लोकसभा आ रहा है, अभी फिर से स्टेट इलेक्शन आ जाएगा, कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शन आ जाएगा.
ऐसे पर अभी उन्होंने पैसा देना शुरू नहीं किया है. They even had for pregnant women, that has also not happened. And Rekha Gupta should just be in Delhi, fix Delhi for us, please. We have so many issues there.
क्या बात
So
कर रहे हो
don't
यार?
come here and.
ऐसे मत बोलो.
Anyway, I think people don't recognize you. In Delhi only, I think people don't know her name. So यहाँ.
What are you saying यार? सबको झालमुड़ी खाने का मन होता है. ऐसे मत करो. सबको झालमुड़ी खाने का हम लोग निवेदन करेंगे. आइए झालमुड़ी खाइए, झालमुड़ी हाथ में लेके एसआईआर के बारे में बात कीजिए और लोगों की परेशानियों के बारे में बात कीजिए, क्योंकि लोग दुख में हैं और लोगों के दुख ना आप ज्यादा देर झालमुड़ी से छिपा नहीं सकते. ये मूरी है, वो शायद वो सूत जाएगा. जब सूत जाएगा सच्चाई सामने आ जाएगी, और सच्चाई सामने आ रहा है क्योंकि हम लोग ला रहे हैं लोगों की कहानियां. ये लोग ला रहे हैं, हम लोग ला रहे हैं, सब लोग ला रहे हैं. जिनमें अभी भी थोड़ा सा पत्रकारिता बचा हुआ है वो लाएंगे. अब उसको छुपा नहीं पाएंगे. बहुत खुश है झालमुड़ी प्रधानमंत्री ने खाए. लेकिन टू एंड विथ, I would say,
And you know, one last thing I want to quickly add on the tribunals where we went. Now CAPF is guarding those tribunals. So most people who are coming to go in, they don't know they can't go in. It's the poor police guys who are having to, in the heat, in the sun, explain to them कि नहीं ma'am, आप अंदर नहीं जा सकते. So is it the police's job to explain to people? Why is there no election commission booths there that can talk to people? I mean, if you're so nationalist and you're for the police, you're for the soldiers, is it their job to explain to people how to go about putting your name back in the list? I feel really bad for the officers there.
and they're
Because
also
people are also agitated, so they're taking it out on them. कि क्यों नहीं अंदर जा सकते, हमको जाने दो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ये वो. The police was like, ma'am, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We just have to tell them they can't do it.
I mean-
But should there not be an election commission booth there?
I mean, election
Officers from the
commission-
election commission saying what the process is.
Election Commission spends so much of money after branding, advertisement, and all of that. I wish they had spent as much in communicating the
Yeah.
right message, educating voters. People did not even know that they have to go and apply before the tribunal, and what is the procedure. In digital India, 100% people do not have digital literacy. So please
Yeah.
respect that. And again, I say, what's going on? This mass disenfranchisement of voters, this sudden militarization of elections, and to in a way give out that message that daro, darna zaruri hai. I think this is something India would remember. Indian democracy would remember. We would remember. She would remember. News Laundry would remember. News the Truth would remember. And I hope India remembers.
I hope people are paying attention.
I hope India remembers. Before I end, I just saw this man asking, Dada, 10 টাকা লাগলো না 20 টাকা? कितना लिया? कितना लिया वो? আরে আপনি पूछा ना 10 रुपए या 20 रुपए? आप खरीद रहे हो ना? আপনি কিনছেন তো? কত নিচ্ছে? কত টাকা করে নিচ্ছে? 10 টাকা নিচ্ছে? 50 টাকা। 50 টাকা করে মুড়ি নিচ্ছে? হ্যাঁ? पापड़ी चाट भेलपुरी। आपने क्या खाया दादा? झालमुड़ी। झालमुड़ी কত নিয়েছে? 20 টাকা। 20 টাকা 10 টাকায় দেয়নি? আমরা বাদাম দিতে বললাম এক্সট্রা হয়ে যাবে। প্রধানমন্ত্রী ঝালমুড়ি খেয়ে গেছেন। আর কি খেতে বলবেন প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে? ওনার যেটা ইচ্ছা। আপনি কি খেতে বলবেন? বাঙালির ফুচকা খেতে বলবেন। বাঙালির ফুচকা। বাঙালির খেতে বলবো। ফুচকা খেতে বলতে পারি। তেলে ভাজা মুড়ি। তেলে ভাজা মুড়ি। আচ্ছা। চা। আচ্ছা। বারের চা খেতে পারি। বারের চা। আচ্ছা। যদি বিরিয়ানি ট্রাই করতে চাই কলকাতায় এসে তেলে ভাজা মুড়ি খেতে আমাদের বাঙালিদের তেলে ভাজা মুড়ি ভালো। আচ্ছা। আর সন্ধ্যাবেলা আর ভিডিওটা দেখেছেন প্রধানমন্ত্রী ঝালমুড়ি খাচ্ছে যে ভিডিওটা? খাওয়ার ভিডিওটা দেখেছি। আচ্ছা, দেখেছেন? কেমন লেগেছে দেখে? ভালো। আমি শুধু একটুখানি যে কিনেছে ওইটাই দেখেছি। কেমন লেগেছে দেখে? হ্যাঁ, উনি আছেন বলে যে বিক্রি করেছে সে সবথেকে খুশি পেয়েছে। হ্যাঁ। হ্যাঁ। খুশি হয়েছে। এটা নিতেই চাইছিল না পয়সা। হ্যাঁ, কেউ দিয়েছে। কত ভালো। সেই তো। मनीषा कम you have to say thank you to him ना?
Yes.
You also would pay him. सबूत रखेंगे 30 रुपए दे रहे, नहीं तो बोलेंगे फोकट के खा के चले गए।
You said the puchkas here are very nice.
वो दादा खिलाएंगे
तो
ना
हम
पुचका।
खाएंगे इसके बाद पुचकास।
अच्छा दादा, आप भी मोदी जी को बोलेंगे आके आपसे झालमुड़ी खाने को? हाँ बोलेंगे तो मोदी जी। You know, to end with here we end it. We will just have puchka also now. Yeah, we have to end it now. I can see Tita's literally salivating to the smell of tamarind.
Oh.
Okay, so you'll have fuchka, you'll have jhalmuri, and we will continue our banter on the other side.
But I have to say the Lucknow golgappas are better than the
Hey.
Bengal golgappa. Yeah. Lucknow is the best when it
निकालो
comes
इसको
to.
निकालो इसको। दादा क्या बोला है देखो, फुचका का अपमान कर दिया।
लखनऊ में बेटर मिलता है।
लखनऊ का बेटर मिलता है क्या?
हाँ,
हाँ,
लखनऊ चाट इज द बेस्ट।
बंगाल।
बंगाल। ओके।
इंडिया में पूरा नाम ही है बंगाल का।
बंगाल
ये
का
हम लोग इधर पे फुचका देते हैं, उधर पे भेलपुरी फुचका, वो गोलगप्पा है।
आप लोग आलू डालते हो।
तो आलू ही तो डालना
आलू
चाहिए।
नहीं डालते हैं। All the Lucknow guys know what I'm talking about.
You know, Bihar se I remember the entire BJP machinery had been saying that there is no job in Bengal and people are all migrating. Obviously, there should be more, no doubt about it. Youth should not leave Bengal at any cost, and they should get enough and more opportunity to be here and excel and never leave their home, never have to leave their home. But having said that, it's not a problem unique to Bengal. Migration from other states is uniform and universal. Prime Minister जिनके दुकान से झालमुड़ी खाए वो
From
भी
Bihar, these two gentlemen here
all are
also
from
from Bihar.
Bihar. And that's
And it's nice.
It's natural.
It is.
It's natural. That's India. You cannot stop anyone from entering anywhere.
Yeah.
I would hate when somebody say, okay, they're not welcome. Everybody's welcome. ये देश किसी का
बाप का नहीं।
बाप का नहीं। Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Manisha. Thank
Thanks.
you. Let's
Puchka
give you some
time.
puchka. Okay. Look at my entire team. How diligently they are working now. BTS. Okay.